Hello, my name is Ganesh Dange. My today's topic is Spring Security. Spring Security is powerful and customizable authentication, authorizable authentication and access control framework. In the Spring ecosystem, it focuses on providing the both authentication, verifying on in identity of users, and authorization, determining access, providing privilege for users in Java applications, particularly those built using Spring Boot and other Spring framework. Spring Security ensure 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 in your application in secure from common vulnerability by providing features like CRF, CSRF, cross site request uh, forgery, protection, secure password storage, session management, and protection against various attacks like brute forces, excesses, uh, its cross-site scripting, and more. Key components of Spring Security: authentication, authorization, and refers to identify who the user is. Spring Security supports various ways of authentication users, including the memory authentication, uh, storing the credentials in memory for smaller applications, or prototype database authentication, fetching user credentials from a relation database. LDAP, it's long form of that light directory access protocol. Authentication users via LDAP servers, to OpenID, contact, support modern single sign on SSO strategies via external providers like Google, Facebook, GitHub, etc. The authentication management is a key interfaces in Spring Security, responsible for processing the authentication, authorization, ensure that authentication users only have access to resources they are permitted to use in Spring Security. Authorization can be applied at multiple levels. Method level security: you can restrict access in specification. Security methods using annotation like at that pre-authorization, authorize, or at the rate secured. For example, at the rate pre authorize has role admin will ensure only users with the admin role can execute to the method. URL based security. Spring Security allows restricting access based on URL pattern. This is done in the configuration where certain URLs are accessible to specific rule or authorities. For example, only users can the admin role may be access the admin root. Global method security global security and the allows to defining security rules for method globally across the application filters. Spring Security is built on a filter based architecture. It uses a chain of security filters such as the username, password, authentication filter, and processing for based logins, and the basic authentication filter for handling HTTP basic authentication. These filters intercept incoming request, verify authentication, and apply authorization policies. A few important filters in Spring Security include security context, persistence filter, ensure the security context which hold the authentication,